Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. PowerPoint 2A Safety Required textbook. So open the PowerPoint 2A Safety textbook. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So PowerPoint 2 is safety required textbooks. Click the download the materials and download the all files and open the instruction file and PowerPoint files and go to the PowerPoint 2 safety and total questions 23. So assignment title is PowerPoint 2 is safety and next is to the find the PowerPoint 2 is safety. So find the instruction textbooks PowerPoint two-way safety and find the PowerPoint chapter 2 and select the e-text and find now. So open the PowerPoint chapter 2 e-text. So open the instructions. PowerPoint chapter 2 formatting, PowerPoint presentations. And go to the next pages. So in your file storage location, create a folder name PowerPoint chapter 2 and my lab battery. Download the file PowerPoint 2 is safety and then save the file in your PowerPoint chapter 2 extract zip folder necessary and take a moment review PowerPoint 2 is safety instructions. And next is to go to the next pages. So next is to navigate to your PowerPoint chapter 2 and then double click the PowerPoint files you downloaded my lab add it to display your name student PowerPoint to is to safety in your presentations if necessary and stop the clicking. And next is display the slide to click anywhere content placeholder with the single bullet points. So display the slide 2 and select the bulleted list and next is point to the border surrounding placeholder display the pointers and display the pointer and then click to display the border as a solid lines. And next is with the border placeholder displaying the solid line change the font size to 24. Change the font size to 24 and save your workbook. So save your presentations. And next is display the slide 3 and then click anywhere bulleted list point to the placeholder dashed border to display the pointer and then click the one time to display the borders solid lines indicating all of the text is selected. It's display the slide 3 and then click the anywhere bulleted list point to the placeholder dashed pointer click a one time display the borders on the home tab paragraph group click the numbers and then compare your slides 2.3 and click the number bulleted list and next is display the slide 4 and then select 3 second levels bullet point attraction, entrance and visitors and rest area. Display the slide 4 and display the slide 4 and next is select the 3-second level bulleted attraction entrance and visitor entrance rest area. So select the 3 bulleted list and next is on the home tab paragraph group click the bullet button arrow display the bullets gallery. Display the bullet gallery and bullets and numbers. The bullet numbers dialog box and screen tip the seconds. Click the star bullets. In the star bullets are not available second row of the bullets. Click the second bullets style and reset the button. Apply the star bullets. Click the star bullets and next is below the gallery and click the color under the theme color in the 8th column lost colors in the size box. Select the existing number 85 and then compare your dialog box and star bullets and next is color under the and color under the theme color 8th column lost color 8 column lost colors. 8 column lost color and next is 8th column the lost colors and to select the size and select the existing number type 85 compare your screens and size is 85 and next is click OK and save your logo and click OK and save your logo and next is display the slide to click the paragraph home tab paragraph and click the bulleted. So display the slide 3 and select the paragraph home tabs paragraph and click the bulleted tab and click the bulleted and so no bullets and next is click the dashboard to display the solid border to select all of the text paragraph and then apply the bold italic in the paragraph group line spacing 2.0 and center the paragraph. Click the bold and italics and next is paragraph and line spacing 2.0 line spacing 2.0 and center and save your presentation. The center and save your presentations. So go to the next pages. Next is to the display the slide 5 on the insert tab image group and click the pictures and then click the online picture with the insertion points in the search box type water press enter and few seconds to search image that contain keyboards water and then compares. So display the slide 5 and next is on the insert tab image group and click the pictures online pictures and search box is to on the insert tab and image groups insert tab and image groups and online picture is search box is type to water and then press enter and select the horizontally image water droplets. So select the water press enter and next is to the based creative the according to the non-profit organization enable and create the common do nots and insert the pictures in the inserts. And next is designer to the if the accessory and textbook below the inserted it and press save and delete. Display the slide once. Home tab, insert the image and image groups and click the picture this device and insert the picture dialog box. Navigate to data file for this project, click the PO2A red lights and then click the inserts. So insert the pictures, so go to the insert tab and click the picture this device and click the downloads and next is to the PO a red lights and click the inserts and next is and save your presentations. Selected the image display the sizing handle, drag the resize. You can resize the shape heights with the box and format tabs. If unnecessary, select the picture of the red lights on the picture format tabs in the size group. Click the shape heights and selected number is 3.5. So select the on the picture formats, select the pictures and size and shape height is to the 3.5. So shape height is 3.5 and press enter. Shape height is 3.5 and then press enter and notice the picture is size and the width box is 5.26 to compare your screen to 2.10. So 2.10 and press enter and next is 5.26 press enter and next is on the view tabs in the on the view tab show groups, verify that the ruler checkbox is selected. If the necessary, select the checkbox on the horizontally and vertical rulers. Notes that you display the centers and click the pictures and then drag up to the top edge of the pictures, top of the slides and view tabs in the show groups, view tab in the show group and select the vertical rulers and verify the ruler checkbox. So select the rulers and next is selected and necessary on the horizontally and vertical ruler. Notice that the you display the click the picture and then drag the top edge of the pictures and top edge of the so top edge of the pictures and next is point to the right of the picture, display the pointer, hold down and then slowly to the right. Notice dash marks guided is 6 inches 0 on horizontally rulers and say and on the right side the 6 horizontal rulers Go to the next page, display the slide 6 and then select the picture on the picture format tab. In the size groups, click the upper portion crop button, display the crop handle on the edges to the picture. So display the slide 6 and select the pictures and picture format size groups and click the picture format and size group, click the crop. So crop the pictures in the 1 inches right 0 horizontal rulers, 1 inches 0 horizontal rulers, and click the crop. And next is picture format size group, click the crop button and crop and save your files and save your presentations. Next is display the slide once and then select the picture on the picture format tabs. In the size group, click the lower portion of the crop button in the crop arrow, display the slide once. And the next is select the picture on the picture format tab, select the picture on the picture format tabs, the size group lower and click the crop buttons in the crop arrow and crop shape and basic shape in the first row. First shape is oval, click the crop and the crop shape is to the first row and the first is oval and basic shape is first ovals and save your presentation. Go to the next pages and display the slide 3 and then verify that a ruler display on the insert tab in the text group and text box. Display the slide 3 and verify ruler display on the insert tab in the text group and click the text box. Insert tab and text group and click the text box and position the pointer so that the ruler guides position on the left half of the horizontally 4.5 and lower half is vertical 2 inches, half 4.5 and lower is 2 inches, 4.5 inches and 2 inches. So insert the text box and next is to the click the one-time arrow rectangle text box surrounded by the sizing handle with the insertion point blinking inside the text box. Type the if a safety is questionable. So copy the titles and paste the title in if a safety and questionables. So select the text box if a safety is a questionable and next is and select the text that you type the change the font size to 24 and save your workbook. Change the font size to 24. Change the font size to 24 and save your presentation. And next is with the slide 3 display on the insert tab illustration group, click a shape to display the shape gallery. Under the block arrow, click the first shape arrow right and call right arrow on the sum system. Move to the pointers slide until the call display the indicating the draw shape. So display the slide 3 and next is insert tab illustration groups and click the shape and under the block arrow in the arrow rights. So go to the insert tab and illustration groups and click the shape and block arrows to arrow right, block arrows to arrow rights and move the pointer to the position ruler gets approximately 0 on the horizontal ruler and lower half vertical ruler is 2 inches. So 0 and 2 inches. And next is on the shape format tab size group, click the shape height box, select the number and type 0.5, click the shape width box and type 2 and then press enter. Shape format and size group, shape height is 0.5 and shape width is 2. Shape height is 0.5, so shape height is 0.5 and width is 2 inches and width is 2 inches. And next is on the shape format tab, insert the shape group, click the more in the gallery basic shape in the first row, second last shape is to the octagons. The shape and insert the shape group, click the more and basic shape and click the second last shape in the fifth row. So go to the insert tabs and go to the shape groups and next is to the basic shape first row, the second last octagons. So second last is to octagon, click OK. And next is move the pointer to display the position rulers and right half horizontal ruler 3.5 and lower right shoulder 1 inches. So 3.5, right horizontally ruler is 3.5 and 1 inches. 3.5, 3.5 and 1 inches. And next is to move the pointer position ruler guide and then on the shape format tab in the size group, click the shape height, select the 2 and shape width is to type 2. So shape height is type 2 and width is to type 2, press enter. And next is save your presentations and slide the on a slide 3, if unnecessary, click the octagons that are selected, type the stop and then notice that the text is centered with an octagon on a slide 3. And if unnecessary, click the octagon selected it and type the stop. So type the stop. And next is font size to 32. So font size to 32 and click a blank area of the slide cancel section and then compare your screen and save your presentations. Save your presentation and go to the next pages. So next is display the slide 2 and then click the anywhere paragraph text contents placeholders. Display the slide 2 and select the paragraph and then click the any paragraph text to contents and shape format, shape style and shape fill arrow point to the several things like view and inside the color of the text in the 8th column third color. So shape style groups, shape format tabs and shape style groups, shape style group and next is to the shape fill arrow in the 8th column third color, 8th column third color. And next next is on the shape format, shape style group, click the shape arrow in the 8th column, third color, and next is in the shape styles, click the shape outline arrow and weight is to 3 points. Notice the click outlines placeholder, click the blank area and selected the compare your screens. And shape outline arrow weight is to 3 point. Shape outline arrow and weight is to 3 point. And display the slide 6 and then select the title at the being. So at the display the slide 6. So display the slide 6 at the big valley range and home tabs, font groups and font color arrow and the eyedroppers point to the right corners with a small RGB color and click the notice to the color on the slides and reset colors. Home tabs and font groups and eyedropper color and font groups and the eyedropper colors. So eyedrop color and find the color is to below the eyedropper, move the upper left corner pointers a small square pointer extract to the when you color RGB color coordinate display the screen and block colors RGB color model red, green, blue added to the another color and in the position click the one time notice the applied the text and click the blank area selected as compares. And next is display the slide 5 on the home tabs, click the font color arrow recent colors. Notice the selected eyedropper display the screen blue or lights. Click to the apply the color to the screen. So display the slide 5 and home tabs and font color arrow and just select the titles. And select the titles on display the slide 5 home tab font and recent colors and next is to save your presentations and display the slide 3 and select the arrow shape on the shape format tab in the shape style and shape styles in the theme styles the second column third style. So display the slide 3 and select the arrow shape. So select the arrow shape in the shape format, select the arrow shape and go to the shape format tab, shape formats and the shape style theme style in the shape style gallery in the second column third style, in the second column third styles and click the anywhere if the questionables on the shape formats in the styles groups and click the more theme is to the fifth column fourth style, fifth column in the fourth styles in the shape style and theme in the fifth column fourth style, fifth column fourth style fifth column fourth style and next is select the octagon shape in the shape format shape style, click the shape field and standard color dark arrow, the shape octagon shape octagon shape formats and shape fill is to the standard color dark red. Shape fill is to shape format tab and shape style. Shape format and shape fill is to the dark red. Next is to display the slide once and then select the picture on the picture formats, picture styles in the picture effect, and soft edge point to the soft edge to the 50 points. Display the slide one and select the pictures and picture format tab and picture effect. Picture format tab and picture effect is to the soft edge to the 50 points. Click OK. Soft edge to the 50 points and display the slide to yellow content placeholder on the shape format tab in the shape style groups and the shape effect point to the bevels. Display the bevel gallery point to each the screen tips and so display the slide 2 and next is on the shape format tab shape styles and shape effect to the bevel is the so select the shape formats and shape format and shape effect bevel, shape format and shape effect to bevel, round convex. Effect to bevel is to round convex, round convex, and the next is to display the slide 5 on the picture format, picture style group and picture effect is to the glow and glow variations in the third column, third glow effect. So display the slide 5 and select the pictures, picture format and picture effects, picture format and picture effect to glow variants in third column, third glow effect, picture effect and glow in the glow variant and third column, third glow effect, third column, third glow effect. Okay, and next is to the save your presentation. On a display C and Control D, duplicate the pictures and this while this click the right and select the hold and shift and release the image and picture formats, arrange groups aligns and at the bottom to align two slides and click the lines and align two rights. Select the both pictures and go to the picture format tab and click the align two slides, align two slides and click the align to align right, align to align right, and next is picture format, arrange groups and click the line to the distribute vertically and distribute vertically. The both pictures selected it picture format, picture style groups and click the picture effect soft edge is to 50 points. Picture format tabs and picture effect style to picture effect soft to edge to the 50 point. Picture effect soft edge to 50 point and save your presentations and display the slide 3 at the bottom to the click the text box arrow and select the all and release the so display the slide 3 and select the 3 shape text octagons bottom to the click the text box arrow and octagon and shape formats, arrange groups and click the align selected objects and arrange groups, shape formats and arrange group and arrange group, click the align arrange and click the align selected object, align subjected align selected object. And next is to the on the shape format arrange group, click the align middles, click the align a middle. And next is align a middle and click the distribute horizontally and save your presentations. With the slide 3 and text box, hold the click arrow to the octagons. So select the slide 3 and text box and click the arrow and octagons and formats and arrange the click the group. So text box, octagon, and go to the shape formats and click the group. And next is on the shape formats arrange the click align and click the align center shape format tabs. And next is to the click the align and align the centers, align the centers. And next is in the slides and start the slides from a beginning. So slide show tab and from the beginning. And insert tab text group and header and footers. Insert tab and text group, header and footers. Click the notes and handouts tab. So go to the insert tabs and header and footers and click the note and handouts. Include the page numbers. And next is select the date and time checkbox. And update the automatically header and page number checkbox selected. The footers, select the footer is text box to the two-way safety. So footer is to the two-way safety and apply to all. And next is to the tag is to the safety presentations. Display the tag to the safety presentation, click the files and info and click the tag is to the safety presentation. And next is to the save and submit your assignments. Click the save and submit for your assignment, click the save as, browse. And next is to the PowerPoint solutions, click the save. Go to the assignments. PowerPoint 2 is safety required textbook, click the opens, upload the assignment and check the scores and close the PowerPoint. Upload the file and submit for gradings. And two-way safety, PowerPoint 2-way safety, click the opens and click the upload. So upload assignment and check the score. Click the continue. You can see the score is PowerPoint 2 safety is current score is 100%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete my IT Lab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee your 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.